The number of vehicles on the road equipped with air suspension is rapidly growing to provide top-level comfort, auto-leveling functionality, and enhanced overall safety. With this, it is especially vital for automotive professionals to understand air suspension systems and where to go for replacement parts to ensure better service, increased turnover opportunities, and easier troubleshooting. Air suspension systems are generally made up of these main components: air struts, springs, compressor, valve block, ride height sensors, and electronic control unit, ECU. Each component is connected and works in tandem to ensure the best ride possible. Quality aftermarket manufacturers like Arnott acquire vehicles for real-world testing and engineering to OE specifications, ensuring parts are designed for precise fit, function, and long-term reliability. Let's start with the air struts and air springs. These are really the heart of the air suspension system. They physically raise or lower the vehicle by adjusting air pressure, helping to keep the ride smooth and comfortable. Arnott's versions stand out thanks to Tier 1 grade materials, durable multiply rubber air sleeves, and custom-tuned shocks that adapt to how you drive. Plus, they feature precision-crafted tops made from CNC-machined aluminum or stamped steel. Next up, the compressor. This is what supplies the air that powers the struts and springs. It kicks in when the electronic control unit, or ECU, detects that the vehicle's ride height has drifted from its preset level. Arnott's compressors are direct OE replacements, designed with integrated air dryers, thermal overload protection, and an easy plug-and-play setup for fast installation. Then we have the valve block. Think of this as the traffic controller for your suspension system. It regulates the airflow by opening and closing valves to allow airflow to and from air struts and springs based on ECU output. Arnott's valve blocks are rigorously lab-tested both electrically and pneumatically. They're made with high-strength, fatigue-resistant plastic for lasting durability and improved pressure retention. Ride height sensors play a key role by generating a voltage or resistance value based on their up and down movement, which is then sent as a signal to the ECU. Arnott's sensors are built for reliability, tested up to 1 million cycles, and offer direct fit plug-and-play installation. These sensors help restore the vehicle's responsiveness to changing road conditions, giving you a more comfortable and capable ride. At the core of it all is the electronic control unit. This is the brain of the air suspension system. It processes inputs like ride height data, engine speed, acceleration, and air pressure to decide if and when adjustments need to be made. All of Arnott's replacement parts are designed to work seamlessly with your vehicle's existing ECU, ensuring hassle-free performance. And finally, let's talk about the benefits of a fully functioning air suspension system. With everything working together, your vehicle can automatically adjust its height to match different driving conditions. You'll enjoy reduced noise, vibrations, and harshness, also known as NVH. The system auto-levels no matter the load, and it improves overall stability and fuel efficiency. Cheap aftermarket suspension components can look identical to the original part at first sight, but the differences can be quite substantial. Making concessions such as using inferior rubber, lower-grade parts, and/or consolidation in piston design can result in lower burst pressure, difficult fitment, impaired damping comfort, and more NVH. This is where Arnott comes in. Arnott offers high-quality aftermarket suspension products that meet or exceed OE expectations. With over 35 years of experience, numerous innovations and patents, valuable installation resources, as well as world-class customer support, Arnott is the global leader in aftermarket air suspension replacement products.